we've just acquired this very rare Jaguar XC R Sport. It's rare because it's the all-wheel drive. Don't compare it to the 2-litre diesel, which is not an all-wheel drive. There's not many of these about. It's got a lot of upgraded features on it. It's in stunning gleaming black. We have front park distance control, unmarked alloy wheels. They're upgraded. Got rear park distance control. We've got reverse camera, twin exhausts, rear spoiler, full R Sport design body styling kit, panoramic roof. Then we have the lovely looking black and red leather two-tone. Absolutely stunning car. It's got cruise control. I'll just sit in the car. Some 70,961 miles. So we've got satellite navigation, full media package, video for rear camera, Bluetooth, climate control, heated seats, different ways of driving it, eco, sport, climate control, tilt-side panoramic roof. Absolutely lovely. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.